Hi, my name is Sam, and I'm the technician here at Rancilio for our home line machines, the Silvia and the Rocky. And we just want to show you today some of the basics of our machine. So on our base, we have our Silvia and our doserless Rocky. And what's nice about the base, it has two drawers, one for a knockbox and one for the accessories. So starting with our Silvia here, we have the main power switch. This powers the entire machine. And what is nice about it is this light indicates when the boiler is heating and when it's up to temperature. So when it turns off, we know it's ready for use. This button here is for our brew switch, and what it does is it activates the pump in the back and it puts water into the boiler and then out of the group head here. So this button is for our hot water, and what it does is it activates the pump as well and fills the boiler, but instead of the water coming out of the group head, it can be accessed through the steam valve. So if you open this, the water will come out of the steam wand. This button here is for our steam, and what it does is it actually tells the boiler to heat up to a hotter temperature to create steam. Back here we have our reservoir tank, and it's removable, so you can take it to your sink and fill it up with water. And it has two hoses. One is to suck water into the pump and put it into the boiler, and the other one is in case of overpressure, it'll push the water back out. And here we have our drip tray cover, which is removable. And it shows us where the drip tray actually is. So this is removable to take the water out and for cleaning as well. So our accessories that go with our Silvia are a portafilter and two brew baskets. This one holds 7 grams of coffee for a single shot. This one holds 14 grams of coffee for a double shot. And this basket just goes nice into the portafilter, and then it locks into your group head. It also comes with a plastic tamper and a filter insert for our cleaning.